Good morning. In a historic move, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, is commencing the final preparations for its Artemis Two mission, aiming to send humans around the moon for the first time in over 53 years. The launch window is slated to open as early as February 6th. This weekend marks a crucial step as NASA plans to transport the massive Space Launch System rocket, or SLS, carrying the Orion space capsule to its Launchpad. The journey from the Vehicle Assembly Building to Launchpad 39B at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida is expected to take up to 12 hours. Once on the pad, teams will immediately begin working through an extensive checklist of pre-flight procedures culminating in a final walkthrough by the Artemis Two crew. Towards the end of this month, a critical milestone known as the wet dress rehearsal will take place. This involves filling the rocket with over 2.6 million liters of liquid propellant in a series of tests to ensure the fueling process can be safely initiated, paused, and resumed as needed. Only once this complex rehearsal is completed, to the satisfaction of mission controllers, will the rocket and spacecraft be certified as flight-ready for their human occupants. The initial launch window for Artemis Two opens on February 6th and extends through February 11th. Should conditions not be ideal during this period, subsequent opportunities are available between March 6th and March 11th, and then again in early April. However, a successful launch requires more than just a ready rocket. Precise conditions must align, including favorable weather, the moon's exact position relative to Earth, and the timing of the launch to ensure the spacecraft's solar panels receive sufficient sunlight throughout its journey. The intrepid crew of Artemis Two consists of 3 National Aeronautics and Space Administration astronauts, Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, and Christina Koch, joined by Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen. The 10-day mission will begin with an orbit around Earth before accelerating towards the moon. The journey to the lunar vicinity is projected to take 4 days. Once there, the Orion capsule will orbit the moon at an altitude of 4,700 kilometers, taking the crew farther from Earth than any human before them. The return trip is also estimated to take 4 days. Should Artemis Two proceed successfully, it will pave the way for the follow-up mission, Artemis Three. Current plans envision Artemis Three landing humans on the lunar surface around 2028. This mission represents a monumental leap in humanity's quest to explore beyond our home planet, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space travel. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. This video was generated using artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.